What's going on, boys and girls? I don't know what happened to the very first part of this video where I was showing the steak, because I'd already started to make this video, or I started to not make the video because it was just going to be a simple steak and Brussels sprouts and some black-eyed peas, and because it was going to be so simple, I got to thinking, I never record the simple videos, and they come out so good, and I regret not recording them. So anyway, this is a simple meal. It's just a ribeye, some Brussels sprouts with some vegetables, and some black-eyed peas with some vegetables. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alrighty, y'all. I told you this is going to be really simple here. We got our Brussels sprouts here. We got an onion. We got a bell pepper, which we're only going to use half of this onion. That's a half a bell pepper. We got some canned black-eyed peas, and I took the canned black-eyed peas and I rinsed them off just because they have so much sodium in them. Now, if you have fresh black-eyed peas, use that. We're going to cook them in some vegetable broth. We got some minced garlic, got some salt and pepper, and paprika, and some Italian seasonings. This is going to be real simple, y'all. Hey, y'all, I left out two things that are essential for black-eyed peas, or at least in my opinion. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. You got to have those to bring out the taste of these black-eyed peas, so I forgot about that. Oh, so anyway, we've cut we cut and washed the Brussels sprouts. We cut half the onion. We cut the bell pepper, and we cut the other half of the onion there. These are going to go over here in the black-eyed peas, and then these are going to go into the Brussels sprouts. So you're going to put a little bit of oil into the pan here and warm it up, and we're going to saute those onions first. All right, we're going to put the vegetable broth just on top of the black-eyed peas here, just so it just kind of covers them up. Turn your heat on to medium. Alrighty, guys, after about 10 minutes or so, take the lid off, give it a stir around, and kind of wash this too so stuff doesn't stick on the bottom. If you had to add a little bit of extra water to it, you may want to do that, but turn the temperature down to about medium low, and then just let them cook for another 10 minutes, and then they'll be done. Let's check on the black-eyed peas. See, they're still on simmer. And they're going to get done really at about the same time, y'all. So just kind of keep a close eye on those. You shouldn't have to stir those very much. All right. So anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, they're at the consistency we want them to be at, nice and tender. Same with the black-eyed peas. That looks really good. So now we're going to take our cast iron pan back there. We could put it on the grill too, but these are kind of thin steaks. They're small steaks, so they're not going to take very long to cook. Alrighty, so we're going to use about 2 teaspoons of ghee in here. Heat it up to medium. Alrighty, guys. Now, these are small steaks. They're only about maybe 3/4 of an inch, so they're not going to take long. My wife likes hers to be kind of medium. I like mine just barely mooing. Not really, but I like mine to kind of have a little bit of pink in the center of it somewhat. But so I'm probably going to keep mine in there for 2 minutes per side. Probably keep my wife's in there for maybe 3 minutes, 30 seconds or so, because I do want mine to be kind of medium rare. All right, so we're going to grab the steak here. Just going to put it down in there. And do the same thing with the other one as well. Going to set the clock for 2 minutes for mine. All right, it's been about 2 minutes here. We're going to flip this one over. This one's going to be mine here. See, and that looks just right for me. Again, I'm going to go another minute or so on my wife's because she likes hers a little bit different. So now we can flip it over here. Oh yes, it's got a nice little glaze on it there. All right, so we're going to take mine out here. Mine's done, I think. I'm going to put it here on some foil. It's still going to cook a little bit, y'all. And we're just going to cover this one up here. Let it rest. You don't want to eat it. You want to let it rest and let those juices come toward the inside of it. Just kind of cover it up. So again, it's going to cook a little bit more because it's in that foil. And then we'll just wait for the wives to finish cooking. All right, sometimes you can tell by feel too if they're done, because I don't want it to be too tough. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one out here and turn our heat off. Wrap that one up just like this one here. Let it rest for 7 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna eat. Alrighty guys, there you have it. Nice quick meal. Brussels sprouts and onions, black-eyed peas with bell peppers and onions and garlic, and a ribeye steak here. We're just ready to eat. We're gonna throw down. Let us know if you like this video. Like it, share it with your friends. Tap the little bell to get notifications if you're on that platform. I share these videos on a bunch of platforms. So, and give me a comment. You can, if you see anything that you find that you think I could do better, just let me know. But it's going to be good, y'all. Nice, quick, and easy. Peace.